Hello YouTube, I'm going to do this before it gets hot. I'll tell you that, it's going to hit 90 with a dew point in the 70s again. We're going to put a power strip over by our drill press because we moved it to a different section of the workshop when we remodeled last year. And we have a 12 gauge wired cord for our MIG welder. Slow down, take your time to say this. This is 14 gauge. If I'm correct. Yes, it is. It'll run the drill press. My welder is hooked to a 25 amp circuit breaker. It is a big motor on the drill press, but this is plain enough wiring. It's a pretty good cord. 15 feet. Yeah. So we're going to run it across the shop. Above my two doors. We'll show you that here. Okay. We always hang our cord off there where that coil blue hose is for our welder. We're going to run the cord over. We measured it. It's 8 foot across the doors. And we're going to go down about 3 foot. That's 11. That gives me 4 more feet to play with over there to get rid of it. So there we go. There's the drill press. Now, I have a video on this when I moved this and chained it to the wall, so we won't spend too much time on it. If you want to see a video on this drill press, just type in my search box, Shop Fox Drill Press. That's the name of it. Can we zoom in from the chair? Sure we can. Just type that in. It's cleaned. I took some PV Blaster, went down the column with a rag, took a little steel wool to the table there. You can see the chain from here. And we got plenty of cord on that thing. You can see that cord hanging all over. It goes clear down there. But that'll be tucked back behind it. We have to figure out a way to mount it on the wall. You'll see that when we were done. So this is going to be a short video. We're just going to show you where we're running the cord. We're going to put the outlet on somewhere on those 2x4s. And we'll have a dedicated light. We'll probably buy another one of those. And make a better bracket. We're always trying to get a good light on the drill press. That's one reason we're by the window now. We used to be in a dark corner, so now we got more light. See, it's getting blinding already. So it's not as tall. It's easier for me to walk up to. If you looked at my old videos, it sets up on a welding table. It's set way too high. So let's talk. More work. Let's get this done before it gets hot. Okay, let's try not to drop the camera. Pretty easy install. See the big hole? How we can get our bit through there. See back there, we made a hole in the plastic for the screw. Down here it already had these holes hanging on the hook. And we just use a fender washer and another little one to make up the difference. So it's a couple of inch and a quarter sheetrock screws. So there you go. And we did test it. It works. We got power. Okay, all we gotta do is run the cord up above the doorways. We'll probably just use some nails and bend them over with the pliers. So they're like hooks where the cord lays on it. Nothing fancy. Just to keep the cord up off the floor. And it'll be up safe out of the way. So back to work, get that done, and we are done. Because we have some projects coming up where we're going to need the drill press. Oh, we even used our little level if that matters. Okay, we just had that hooked on a nail. We did not bend the nail over the cord. We bent it with the linesman pliers and then hung the cord over it. So we did not mash the cord. I know that's not up the electrical code, but oh well. Okay, we're going to set you up and we're going to show you my 1/2-inch drill bit I hand sharpened. And start it without a pilot bit. So we'll give you a little extra before we leave here today. First, we'll show you how we got our chuck key over here on a string. That's my wrench that tightens this vise up when you slide it. These nuts are welded, or bolts, I should say, and the nuts are on the bottom under here. See that? I got a video on this. Just have to type in sliding whatever for the vise, or if you really want me to look for the video, I'll give you a link to it. Okay, let's get set up. We're going to come down on just a little punch mark with the spring activated thing. See it? No pilot bit. We're going to see what happens. And that's a cheapy bit, believe me. You know where I got it from. So stay tuned for that. Okay, here we go. And I did test. This don't sound too much. I kicked the drill on, so it doesn't sound nasty like some tools do on this camera. We can't find our lube. We're just going to go for it. We're not going to drill all the way. 250 RPMs. I showed this before. Slow with a lot of pressure, and I have a lot of pressure on here. On a punch mark 1/2-inch drill, and people say it can't be done. There, that's enough. And there you go. And we put a piece of cardboard up here. We have a styrofoam, might have it has a piece of ledge, maybe, I don't know. We always put something under to catch all the chips, so we don't have them all over the floor and back behind. There you go. I know you're not supposed to do it, but what do they call this? Is this cold rolled or hot rolled? Somebody tell me. It's got mill scale on it. It's never perfectly dimensional when it comes squeezing through whatever at the factory. But thanks for watching. We're out of here. Look for the pictures at the end.